Your first day of your period is the first day of your entire menstrual cycle. So that's that first half of your cycle from day one of your period to ovulation. And so you've gotten through your period and now you have estrogen really starting to build up. Those little follicles on your ovaries are building and they are producing estrogen, and it's going to lead to the release of an egg from a follicle on your ovary, and that's ovulation. And at ovulation time, testosterone is peaked. Estrogen has had this humongous surge. It's the highest it'll be in your whole cycle. Typically, women feel really good around this time. We're seeing life through rose-tinted glasses, and oftentimes you have high energy, you tend to have a higher sex drive, and then also too, you want to just be out in the world. You feel a lot more inclined to work out and do all of the things that you would do when you're like peak energy. Your skin looks great. That's the thing with estrogen. It wants you to have sex. We're really conditioned to be stuck into the suffering of our cycles. We're never really taught to see all of these incredible superpowers associated with our cycle, and I think that needs to change.